YouTube family, what is popping, you all, man? I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of you all again for tuning in to the channel, checking your boy out. As y'all can see by the thumbnail, we're right back in the RAPEVINE store today, my favorite store out here in GRAPEVINE Muse, man. So we're gonna go out here and check out and see what sales that they have. I think they put out a new floor set, so gonna be a lot of stuff they're gonna have in the store that's new today. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the channel, man. Please sub to the channel. We're on our way to 10K. By the time this video come out, we may be a little over 6,800, but we're gonna get to that 10K this year. That's a promise. And as well, today we'll be shooting a 2-for-1. When we leave Polo, we'll shoot another video. I want to go to the North Face today as well to see what they have. It's something that caught my eye, and I want to go check that out. But yes, man, if you haven't already, like I said, sub to the channel. Make sure at the end of the video, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all seen in the store that you like, anything that y'all will put together, or any of these pieces that you may potentially have. So let's go, y'all. Let's get this day started. So fellas, the big and tall section was cool. I mean, it wasn't much. They still had some stuff in there, but I tried to show you guys like the same stuff that I show y'all over and over. But the section was cool though. So yeah, man, y'all know how we finna do. Your boy gotta find something to eat, man. And after that, we're gonna get to the crib and we're gonna break this down. And we're finally back to the crib, y'all. So y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all can see bag security today. We did end up scooping something out the store. And let me show you guys what we ended up purchasing. We ended up going with this polo shirt right here. I forgot what they called it. But it is crazy polo. Seeing the colors, the yellow, the blue, and the red. So it's basically a bunch of stuff from Paris on there. And me, like a dodo today, well, I can't say like a dodo. I didn't use my coupon because I didn't have one. So this shirt was $168. Ended up paying like retail for it, but I thought it was worth it, just based upon what I'm gonna do with it. See that? So let me try this shirt on. Let me show you guys how it is. The shirt, try on. See, this is the front right here. I didn't even notice that it had a pocket up here at the top. I think that's a pocket right here on the top. So let you guys see the back of it. Y'all know I'm a fan of colors, so shirt is definitely dope. So, last but not least, let's get to the sneakers, man. Let me show you guys what we will be pairing up with this polo shirt. Pairing up my Travis Scott's, the Canary Low. So now, as y'all can see, this is gonna be a hard situation, so I probably need y'all to help me. Or y'all just comment down below and let me know what you like better. Do you like the yellow with the yellow laces or the yellow with the red laces? Now we went with red because obviously you can see in the shirt, every color of red is in the shirt, which is actually in the lace right here. I'm gonna turn around as well, again, as you can see. So I didn't know. I thought maybe the red would like give it a pop, you know. And I just thought maybe the yellow just keep it subtle, you know. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think of which one of these sneakers, which one of these laces will probably go better with your shirt. So with that being said, thank you guys once again for tuning in, rocking with your boy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't already, like I always say, man, sub to the channel right now. Let's get it there. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. I definitely will not get there without y'all help. And if you haven't, once again, share this video so we can get it out to who needs to see it, man. So once again, thank you guys. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay out like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna